Hey guys, I'm preparing the style at night on an old twist out. Begin by isolating the two front sides of your hair and the top. You can put the rest of the hair back and out of the way. I'm starting with the top section, so I just pin the front to the side for now. As usual, I start by moisturizing with water. Unfortunately, my spray bottle fell in the toilet, so for now I'm just taking it straight from the faucet and massaging it through my strands. I'm going to follow up the water with coconut oil because I want a really smooth texture for this style. And of course I'm going to seal it in with a bit of shea butter. Always work the product in from bottom to top. Now this is usually where I'd start detangling with a wide tooth comb, but with Senior Teaser here, I can skip all that. I just detangle with the Tangle Teaser in small sections. Okay, so I'm going to use my curl formers for this because I want a smooth and slick ringlet texture. If you don't have curl formers, your best bet is to use the Bantu Nuttek technique to get similar curls. I don't have a tutorial on these curl formers because, well, I didn't really like how they turned out when I first used them, so I didn't bother posting the video. But I might do another one since I've realized that in order to get a good result with them, your hair should be dry. So I think I'll try it again. Anyway, so I just insert the curl formers all over that top part in small sections. Once the top section is completed, I just do the same thing with my front sections after defining my part. I'm just making sure the curl formers are twirling correctly here. So for this look, I want to create as many textures as possible, so I'm going to create another texture on the side of my head where the bun will be, in the form of a twist. I'm just creating one twist here because the rest of my hair will be in the bun, so the texture really won't matter. So take all your hair back there, including that twist, and put it all back into a scrunchie for the night. It's morning time. Let's take out the curl formers. Now I'm taking out the hair in the bun and untwisting that twist. Now the front is pretty moisturized, but I need to moisturize the back, so I'm massaging in water. So the curl formers not only created a ringlet for me, but they also smoothed and helped to straighten the hair. So I'm just opening some of the curls at the crown of my head and draping them over the old twist out texture so it gives the illusion that all my hair is smooth and straight. This is key because I want the hair that's being pulled back to be smooth and straight so that it will give a greater contrast to the bun that will be textured. After you've smoothed all the hair at your crown, gather all your hair to the side where your twist was and secure with the ponytail holder. So now there's lots of texture. Curls, new twist out, old twist out, and some fuzzy hair that will create a nice texture for your bun. I'm just separating the front to create a bit of whimsy and make it look less structured. Okay, the bun. Start by grabbing the longest piece and bring it up and around and bobby pin it into place. We're just going to piece together the bun in any way you want, just making sure all the textures are visible. You want it to look messy, but not too messy. People should be able to see the round shape of the bun through all the textures and pieces sticking out. Now loosely grab those ringlets you separated and bring them off to the side and bobby pin them into the bun. They should look like loose cascading curls. can add a little accessory if you'd like. Or it looks great without. Hope you liked the tutorial, guys. Sorry about the quality. I hope my camera gets fixed soon, but I'll talk to you later. Bye.